Hey, you do know how to drive automatic, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, let me check this back springs. This is a wireless tracker, but unlike the Fruit brand, it doesn't notify the person they're being tracked. I got one of these on every one of my vehicles, so if one of them gets stolen, I know exactly where it's at, and they won't even know that I'm able to track it. This thing is so cool, and you can take it out and use it just like the normal Fruit brand tracker. You guys know the one I'm talking about. It's under 20 bucks, guys. The only problem is they're selling out so quick because people are buying them in handfuls. If you guys want to get it, I'll link it right there.